Welcome to Best India Reviews. If you want the best product at the right price, you're in the right place. Let's get into it.
In this video, we will share the best keypad mobile phones you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many keypad mobile phones and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each keypad mobile phones so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let's discuss what are the key things to consider when buying a keypad mobile phone. The first thing to look at is the build quality, because keypad phones are often used as backup or outdoor devices, so durability matters a lot. Next, check the battery life, since most keypad phones are chosen for their long-lasting power and standby time. Another key factor is network compatibility. Make sure the phone supports the network bands used in your area. You should also consider the display clarity and keypad comfort, as these directly affect ease of use. Additional features like Bluetooth, touch, FM radio, or expandable storage can add more convenience. Lastly, always compare prices and brand reliability before making your final choice. Choosing wisely ensures a dependable and handy phone for daily communication. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more useful tech guides.